How to use Hisense TV without remote. First of all, you're going to want to look towards the middle bottom part of your Hisense TV screen. Look underneath, and there you should be able to see a circular button. There you'll be able to just go ahead and press it once. That will turn your Hisense TV on. Then once you've turned it on and you want to do some other things on it, what you're going to want to do is press and hold the middle button down there at the bottom part of your Hisense TV. Then that will bring up this menu here, where then all you're going to have to do once the menu is up on the screen like so is be able to just tap it to be able to get to the different things in the menu. For instance, like volume control, power off, the different HDMIs, the TV, the AV, all these different options down here such as AirPlay. Then once you got the one that you want to go ahead and press and hold it like so. If you want to turn off, you'll press and hold it like that and it'll turn the TV off. Or if you want to go ahead and turn up the volume or use any of the other buttons, all you have to do is press and hold. Then you'll see like so, the volume will go like up or down, or you'll be able to actually click on the HDMI, maybe use a video game console or something else on there. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.